Yeah. Sometimes you might go through some situations you think you can't get out of, but it's always a way. Throughout my life I've been doing stuff cause I had to, at least I thought I did, but my consequences was past due. Running through the streets with my homies like it was nothing, hitting licks, shooting dice. The drug game was bumping, little girls selling they soul, addicted to marijuana, trying to live life fast. It hurt cause I got a daughter, so I felt like I was forced to go even harder. Older dudes in the hood moving dope, hard in that powder. Every day is something different. I'm in it because my friends here. But what if things was different? I'm thinking how would my kids live? When I was coming up, it wasn't places that we can run to. Drugs in the streets is what it usually comes to. I try to be a leader, my kids, they need a father. The pressure was expected, it's making it even harder. I try to calm it down, look, but ain't no ones around. Till I found the path that they introduced me to common
I know
ground.
it's hard when it ain't no one to fall on. You having problems, but you know that you can't call home. You think it's over, but I gotta say you all wrong. Cause common ground is the place that you can call on. Anytime you're down, feeling like you won't make it, just dial a number up and tell them about your situation. Cause if you think you helpless, then I gotta say you all wrong. Cause common ground is the place that you can call on. I know it's hard when you feeling all alone. Pop's gone, mom's broke, you gotta get it on your own. No job, so you gotta go and get it with the chrome. But your luck is running out, man, you can feel it in your bones. See, you don't show love cause they told you love kills. All you know is gun spills, cocaine and drug deals. Old folks tried to tell him, but it's like he never heard. 16 years old and gotta do 11 years. You see the real pressure's dealing with the peer pressure. When you let the streets liquor, weed and the beer get you. Yeah, it makes you feel better, but it's only for a second. You only live once, just make sure that you don't regret it. At times I know it seems like there's no one to rely on, but common ground has a shoulder you can cry on. Just get your dial on whenever you stressing. 800-231-1127, it's a blessing. I know it's hard when it ain't no one to fall on. You having problems, but you know that you can't call home. You think it's over, but I gotta say you all wrong. Cause common ground is the place that you can call on. Anytime you're down, feeling like you won't make it, just dial a number up and tell them about your situation. Cause if you think you helpless, then I gotta say you all wrong. Cause common ground is the place that you can call on. Now everybody listen, sit back and just pay attention. I got a little friend, let me start from the beginning. I'm reminiscing about him cause I swear I really miss him. He was going through everything, but nobody would listen. Mama doing her own thing, she out there on the streets. Where was he? He at home starving with nothing to eat. Feeling pain, where's the love? She's been out there for a week. Father ain't nowhere around, he left him when he was 3. Looking in the wrong places for something to get him by. Couldn't find nothing else, so he started getting high. Popping pill after pill, you can see it in his eyes. He was lonely and the pain was eating him up inside. Overdosing off the drugs till the day my homie died. Thinking to myself what I could've did to keep him alive. If your friend is having problems, tell him about the line. Be a friend, cause your friend might be running out of time, for real.
You know, you might reach that moment in your life when you feel like there's nowhere to turn, no one to look to, when there's no hope. But here's somewhere you can turn, somebody who cares. Just dial 1-800-231-1127.
I know it's hard when it ain't no one to fall on. You having problems, but you know that you can't call home.